Hey everyone, I'm Karina. I'm going to go over my final website with you guys. So this is Little Dreamy Pals Rescue. This is a animal organization for nonprofit for adopting pets out, just a rescue. And with this, I'll just go around a little bit and show you what I did. So I have our About Us section. We're just giving these animals a second chance at finding their forever home. We've, fix them up, veterinary care, fostering, adopting them. Main reason for it is adopting those animals, getting them their forever homes. And so with that, that's kind of the end goal. I do have a section where we have the adopted animals, just a little preview of every pet that's there, and a little section on fostering them if we can't keep them. There's a lot of foster failures too. I don't know if you've heard that, but it's people that foster an animal and then end up just adopting it. And then, of course, making donations to help with that as well. Then I have these two forms for adoption application and foster application to go ahead and help the organization with that. And then I do have a donate section right here. As you can see, I integrated yellow and blues in here, more yellow than blue, but and I have my logo right here too. The yellow, I chose to make it happy, welcoming, just very bright. And with that, I also did choose blue for kind of the accent color on this font to make it very cool and calm, so no one feels like they're making rash decisions adopting these animals like you would with a red or anything like that. And then I did use kind of this white, off-white for the background, just to kind of give it that contrast and make it stand out a little bit more. What I did have a really difficult time with is this section right here. I really wanted these buttons to be centered right here, but I ended up just keeping them on the side, and then I did have a difficult time centering this button because it was way over here. So I had to figure out which kind of position it was in originally and then go override that position in CSS and then move it to the center and go from there. But other than that, thanks for watching my video.